no throttle. Yeah, so my throttle servo has a problem. You can hear it, you can hear the motor just spinning. That's unbelievably unfair. Like, yeah, something's happened to it. But yeah, looks like the throttle servo has a problem. But yeah, it's a long walk back. So what's my initial thoughts? I don't have a spare throttle servo, so unless I take one out of my other RC cars. But yeah, it's really strange why that throttle servo died like that. Something's wrong with it internally. But the ALX 100cc twin, compared to all the other things I have run, going by this run today, it's crazy. It's the most powerful RC engine I have ever used. It pops wheelies without even trying, and when it does pop wheelies, got to keep an eye on those rear tyres, because they might blow up. But yeah, it is absolutely incredible. What an awesome motor. It drives actually pretty good. Probably the most, I would have to say, the most fun thing to drive so far out of everything that I've tried so far. Yep, it's worth the money. It was definitely worth it. it was definitely worth the purchase. It was definitely worth buying it. Something happened to the so I'll just rip all that out anyways, so take the battery out. Yeah, I don't know what happened to that throttle servo. That was a brand new servo. Something happened to it. It's a 7.4 volt servo, so something inside it stripped, it sounds like. That's the 7.4 volt, what's it called, R1 Works battery lipo. Yeah, but the motor, it's the most incredible, most powerful engine right now on the market right now. You can't get any better than this right now. That was absolutely crazy. That was the best thing I've ever run in such a long time. So I can't wait to upload this video now and just watch it all over again. But no leaks in the exhaust headers, especially there. That's all good. Everything else is running top notch. But yeah, the ALX from Italy, he really banged it out this time. If you're gonna buy a twin, consider buying the ALX 100cc. He does have an 80cc out right now. That might be less powerful than this, but comparing to what I saw just now driving it, it completely obliterates the 80cc twin. For the street anyway, because I don't run off-road, so I don't know what it's going to be like if you use this type of engine off-road. So maybe someone else will end up buying it and trying it off-road, but for now it is the most incredible engine, the most fun thing I've ever driven so far, the most powerful, hands down the most powerful engine I've ever run. So the ALX 100cc, save your spendulas, save your money, buy one because it's worth it if you're looking for this type of power. So there you go. I'll try and get that that throttle servo repaired. I'll have to buy a new one actually. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it looks like I have to buy another servo for that, and I'll do some more videos and see how it goes again. A lot more people are gonna want to see how this thing goes in a couple more videos as well. So yeah, it's a shame that throttle servo died, but that's it and that's that. So I'll see you next time.